make it seem like we feel the same. We love what we hate. We lie, but we know we can't water what doesn't grow. Give up, let it go. Well, we fell apart just in time. You say at least it was worth the try. At least it was worth the try.
So gang, upon closer inspection, if your arm does snap off and you do break a couple of wires like I have here, don't even bother trying to fix it. You're just not going to get them in there. Depends on how good your eyesight is. Mine's not too bad, but I'm not going to be able to solder that. I'm really not going to be able to solder that on. Yeah, we're going to have to get some more. We're going to get some more motors, and I might go for the upgraded. These are the 8500. These are disappointing. Not to worry, that's life. Let's take the hood off.